It's a fine day for spotting. About 10-11 degrees. How could I complain? Renaissance car is being pulled by a GE Genesis. Heading west. Probably Toronto with all them cars. All them ex-British rail cars. Oh, I thought it was a malfunction. I didn't see a train there, and the gates came on, and the lights were flashing, and bells are ringing. And here comes the Via. Heading to Central Station, about to finish its run. Probably coming from Ottawa. There you go. Oh, I was looking the wrong way. That, my friends, used to be a Canadian National Control Tower. Yeah, long gone. It's still standing, but not operational. Yeah, man. For the wind, it's pretty bad today, man. Pretty bad indeed. Well, that's kind of interesting. I got a clear, and we got a clear to stop signal on the right. That's really cool. You can actually see the other signal at the bottom too. So that means that there's one of these is surely a Via. No fucking way, double green. Snap. Oh, cool. I'm glad I recorded that. Right on. Great that they're coming from that way also, because that's the Taschereau yard there, Southwark I should say. Maybe it's these guys coming actually. Yeah, probably. What was I saying? Yeah, probably a Via coming, and I would say, you know, probably these guys or another freight. But also could be the Amtrak Adirondack. I like how you can see the Mont Saint Hilaire back there. Yeah, not warm with this wind. Hey, you know, I didn't know until today that there is a new fire station down here on Tiffin Street. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, I said also it could be an AMT. I didn't mention that, sorry. Oh, isn't that a lovely view, eh? The old school all together there, like a time warp for just a few seconds. Dig it. Blow your horn, daddy! You won't unless somebody's trying to cross in front of you. Look at all these new fences they got here. Here. It's all over the place. Quebec City train.